What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 mobile hotspot not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on your hotspot. If you can't find the hotspot option, then go back to your home screen and open settings and click on connections. Now here you can turn on your mobile hotspot. After turn on your mobile hotspot, then check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then go back and scroll down and click on software updates. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and click on reset. Now on top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.